Yo, what's up guys, Slingshot here and welcome to my channel. So today I'm unboxing the Elgato HD60S. Now the S stands for Super Saiyan! While actually the S does not stand for Super Saiyan, it basically stands for stream, because the Elgato HD60S allows you to stream and record your gameplay instantly. So if you are a streamer, then this device is definitely for you. The box is pretty straightforward. You can see everything over there. It's compatible for the PS4, PS4 Pro, Xbox One, Xbox S, Nintendo Switch, and then obviously if you are a streamer, did I say Nintendo Twitch or Nintendo Switch? Basically the Nintendo Switch as well. I've live streamed actually from the Nintendo Switch using this device and it is absolutely amazing. So you can live stream to Twitch as well as to YouTube. That's enough for the chit chat. It's pretty basic inside. So that's it. Paper off. Literally you'll just slide it out. We've got the actual capture device here. Now the amazing thing about this device as well is that it's portable. I mean, look how tiny it is. It is amazing. Let's put it aside. Typical what you'll get inside. So nothing fancy. We've got your USB cable, and then we've obviously got our HDMI cable, and then we've got the Elgato sticker if you want to brand it, or maybe brand your PS4, maybe brand, I mean, you can brand anything with a sticker. Okay, so let's have a closer look at the device. Like I said, it's super portable. So if you are recording maybe at your buddy's house or any tournaments and so forth, this device is awesome. You just need your laptop, USB cable, and you're good to go. So this is your HDMI in, so you'll take your HDMI from your PS4 into this port of the Elgato, and that's obviously the USB connection. And then on this side is the out, where you'll put your HDMI cable, and this will go straight and output it to your TV. Well, that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video of me unboxing the Elgato HD60S. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for awesome videos. And also, I am into live streaming, so you can follow me on Twitch as well as YouTube Gaming. All the links are in the description below. But from me, Slingshot, I will catch you guys online. I'm out here. Peace.